Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to edit your Yahoo Finance portfolio. First, open your web browser and go to Yahoo Finance. Once there, log in to your account using your credentials. After logging in, locate the My Portfolios section, usually found in the navigation bar. Click on it to see a list of your created portfolios. Select the particular portfolio you want to modify to access its overview page and begin making changes. To expand your portfolio, you'll want to add new investments. On your portfolio's main page, look for an Add Holding or Add New Position button. Click this to open a search bar where you can type in the ticker symbol for the stock, mutual fund, or ETF you wish to include. Once you've found it, input the number of shares you own and the price you paid per share to ensure your portfolio's performance is tracked correctly. Sometimes you need to adjust details for investments you already hold. To do this, simply click on the specific stock or fund listed in your portfolio. This action will typically open a new window or section where you can edit its information. You can change the number of shares, update the cost basis if you've made additional purchases, or correct any entry errors. Remember to save your modifications to ensure your portfolio reflects the most accurate data. Finally, you might need to remove an investment or personalize your view. To delete a holding, select it from your list and look for a Remove or Delete option. Confirm your choice, and it will be taken out. You can also customize how your portfolio data is displayed by adding or removing columns, such as daily gain, total return, or market value. This helps you focus on the metrics most important to your investment strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.